Engineering. Futuristic Technologies with Stephen the Engineer. Hello and welcome to Engineering. Futuristic Technologies. In this episode, we're going to be exploring the intersection of artificial intelligence and ethics, a fascinating and increasingly important topic in the field of engineering. Firstly, let's start with the basics. What exactly is artificial intelligence? In simple terms, AI refers to machines or algorithms that can perform tasks that would normally require human intelligence, such as speech recognition, decision-making, and pattern recognition. With advances in machine learning and deep learning, AI is becoming increasingly sophisticated and powerful. However, with great power comes great responsibility. There are numerous ethical considerations surrounding the development and deployment of AI, including issues of bias, privacy, and accountability. For example, if an AI algorithm is trained on biased data, it may reproduce and even amplify those biases, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Similarly, the widespread use of AI in surveillance and other applications raises concerns about privacy and civil liberties. Finally, there are questions about who is responsible when an AI system makes a mistake or causes harm: the developers, the users, or the system itself. To illustrate some of these ethical considerations, let's look at a few examples. One example is facial recognition technology, which has been shown to be less accurate for people with darker skin tones. This bias can have serious consequences, such as misidentifying innocent individuals as suspects in criminal investigations. Another example is the use of AI in predictive policing, which can perpetuate existing biases in the criminal justice system and lead to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. So, what can be done to address these ethical considerations? There are a few possible solutions, such as developing more diverse and representative datasets. You can also implement greater transparency and accountability in AI systems and foster interdisciplinary collaborations between engineers, ethicists, and policymakers. However, there are also significant challenges to overcome, such as the lack of standardization and regulation in the field of AI. And that's it for our exploration of artificial intelligence and ethics. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other episodes of Engineering. Futuristic Technologies for more exciting innovations in the world of engineering.